Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where can you find the whiteboards and whiteboard templates and how to use them on the Zoom website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device, and after that tap on the My Account button in the upper right corner of the screen. Go to this left side column to the Personal section and click on Whiteboards. Here you can see a bunch of categories at the top, such as All Whiteboards, Recent, My Whiteboards, Share with Me, and so on. Here you can see the templates at the All Whiteboards section. So if you want to try out any of these, just tap on the relevant one, tap on Use Template in the upper right corner of this section, and you should wait a few seconds till it loads, but then you will be able to check out how it looks like and how to use it. So here you can see it, you can arrange it, and here you can start customizing your whiteboard. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.